Meaning of inertia reel.
Inertia reel.
Inertia reel.
Inertia reel.
Inertia reel. An inertia reel, also known as a retractable seatbelt or a self-locking seatbelt, is a type of seatbelt commonly used in vehicles and aircraft. The design of an inertia reel utilizes a pendulum or a spring-loaded mechanism to lock the seatbelt in place during sudden deceleration, such as during a crash. This prevents the occupant from being thrown forward and potentially injured. During normal operation, the seatbelt can be extended or retracted freely. Inertia reels are considered a significant improvement over earlier seatbelt designs and have become standard safety equipment in many vehicles today.